Now we will move towards second part of the theorem, that is nothing but identity element is unique. Now what is the meaning of this? Now your vector space always has identity element, whether it may be, let us say, R2 or matrices, set of matrices or any other vector space, but that identity element is always unique. I mean is, talking about R2, you know that in R2 0 comma 0 is nothing but our 0 vector. So if you add this vector to any vector of R2, let me call it as xy in general, then we will get xy back. Is that fine? But the question is, do you have some other vector other than this 0 vector which satisfies the same property? I mean is, I want some vector such that if I add that vector to xy, I will get xy back, and you will wonder that there is no such vector. There is only one vector, and that is nothing but 0 comma 0. This is nothing but the uniqueness. Same thing will happen in the case of matrices. So if you take some matrix, let us say 1 2 3 4. Now if you add 1 2 3 4 to a 0 vector, you will get 1 2 3 4 back. So the question is there any other vector other than 0 vector like this 1 2 3 4 plus, so some matrix here which is equal to 1 2 3 4 again. So do you have a matrix over here other than 0 matrix which will satisfy this? So I should get the same matrix back, and you will wonder, no, not at all, it is not possible. So thus that is the only vector that will satisfy this property, and therefore we say that 0 vector is unique. Now the question is how to prove it. So we start by assuming, suppose there are two 0 vectors in a vector space, bold 0 and other one I will call it as some 0 bar, and we will prove that this 0 is equal to 0 bar, and that will prove the uniqueness. So that is exactly what is done in the second part of the theorem. So two 0 vectors are taken, that is bold 0 and 0 bar, and since they are 0 vectors, we already know what is the property satisfied by 0 vector. See this, 0 u plus 0 is always equal to u, and the same thing is done here. Since 0 is our 0 vector, so x plus 0 will be x for any choice of x, and since this is also a 0 vector, so therefore x plus 0 bar will be also x. So we have assumed that there are two 0 vectors, that is 0 bold 0 and a 0 bar, and what we have to show now, that this 0 bold 0 is equal to what? 0 bar. Now in order to prove this, we are going to use some facts. Now what are that facts? Note that this is true for any element of the vector space V, that is x plus 0 bar is equal to x plus bold 0 is equal to x, and this is also true for any element x of the vector space V, that is x plus this 0 bar is equal to x. Now note that this 0 and 0 bar are elements of vector space V, because what is said in third property, whatever this 0 vector exists, that is from where? That is from vector space only. So this is another important thing to note. By using these two facts, we are going to prove that this 0 is equal to 0 bar. Now I will tell you how we will do it. Okay, so I will write it here. Before that, just I will erase it out. We have, let me write it, 0 comma this 0 bar belonging to V, such that x plus 0 is equal to x, and x plus this 0 bar is equal to x for all x belonging to V, and our claim is this 0 should be equal to 0 bar. Now note that what we have here is this x plus 0 is equal to x for all x belonging to V. Now, since this is true for any element of the vector space, will it be true for 0 bar? Absolutely, because 0 bar is a element of V only, and this result is true for any element of the vector space. So, I will say in particular, let us put x is equal to 0 bar. So, I will say in particular put x is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, what we will get? Therefore, 0 bar plus this 0 will be equal to 0 bar. Let us call it as some 2. Now, the same thing can be done for this equation as well. We also have, I will write here, right. So, again in particular we can put x is equal to 0, because this result is true for all elements of V, and that 0 is also an element of V. So, I will say in particular x is equal to 0, therefore 0 plus, remember it is a bold 0, yeah, this 0 bar will be equal to 0, and let us call it as some 3. Now, let us consider 0 bar, because we have to prove 0 bar is equal to 0. So, I will say consider. Note that this both 0 and 0 bar, I have used the bold notation for that. So, I will say consider 0 bar which is equal to, but from 2 we already have the value of that, that is 0 bar plus 0, that is by using 2. Now, just think which property can be used here, because I have to prove that this is equal to 0 bar, 0, right, bold 0. If you think properly, what is the first property, the commutative one? According to that property, I can simply swipe the positions, because u plus v is same as v plus u. So, this can be written as 0 plus 0 bar, this is by 1. But what is 0 plus 0 bar? Let us see this equation 3. So, according to this, 0 plus 0 bar is again 0, and that is exactly what we wanted to prove. Therefore, this 0 bar is equal to 0. Thus, the identity element in the vector space is always unique.